Unboxing infrared bathroom heating panels with towel holders.
It is Wojtek from Termofol, and today I would like to present to you another one of our new products, a nice bathroom radiator, Termofol LW400. It is another one in our series of bathroom radiators with a glass front. This one differs from previous editions and versions in that here we have two separate towel holders. But here on the packaging we have the most important features, which are Wi-Fi control, a glass front and towel holders. And here we have information about the color, white color. In our range there is also a black color. Importantly, the device's power is 400 watts and it is characterized by an IP44 protection rating, making it very suitable for bathrooms.
Meet the intelligent Termofol infrared heating panel with two towel holders. It's an excellent heating solution for small and medium-sized bathrooms. The smaller model will heat a room up to 8 square meters and the larger one up to 16 square meters, depending on the building's insulation. They can serve as the primary source of heat in bathrooms, providing comfort and dry towels year-round. Crafted from durable tempered glass in elegant white or black, the device has a modern appearance that will seamlessly fit into any interior.
So what? We lay it down and open the box. We will see what's inside. Everything is very nicely packed, secured for transport, so nothing should happen during transport. We take things out one by one. First, a colorful bilingual instruction manual, truly showing all the steps related to preparing the heater for use. Well, here perhaps one of the most important parts of this manual, which is how to assemble a radiator on the wall. In the set, we have those screws that we saw when showing the instructions. Here are expansion plugs, screws for mounting the device to the mounting frame, and screws for attaching towel rails to the device. We have an aluminum frame here to which we attach the device. We mount this frame to the wall and then the device to this frame. Next we have the towel holders. The holders are aluminum, solid and thick. As you can see, the material. And the second bracket is the same as the other one, the same size. Here we have holes for screws, 2 each, so it's clear that it will be securely fastened. The device looks like this one's taken out of the packaging. A clean, nice front, made of tempered glass. On the front, we have the marked location of the control panel and display. This display shows the temperature. Here are the touch buttons. Underneath it, this is a sticker, so it can be removed if necessary. What is cool and must be seen. This is the thickness of this heater. Look, it basically is, I don't know the millimeters, but it is very thin and will fit nicely into bathroom decor, not sticking out too much from the wall. The only thing is that the thermostat control panel on-off switch is wider here. And here we also have the cable. The cable is quite long. There's no need to do anything special with the socket. The whole thing is very solidly made. Here, this mounting strip is additionally reinforced. In this spot, we will soon be attaching the towel holders so that the device is ready for use.
Mounting the towel holders to the panel is quick, easy, and common for each of the models presented here. Simply screw the holders to the panel according to the instructions, ensuring stable attachment and ease of use.
The handles are already mounted, securely screwed in, so let's see how it looks with the handles. Importantly, the handles can be fixed in 3 different positions. 1, 2, 3, depending on how we want them arranged here. We can choose these 3 mounting positions, which will allow us to make more or less space here, depending on the towels, whether thick or thin, or any larger ones we want to dry on this radiator.
To mount the panel on the wall, use the included bracket. Drill holes, insert plugs, and then attach the bracket. Finally, hang the panel on the bracket and tighten the screw at the bottom of the device. Termofol bathroom panels are available in 2 colors. TFLB, with its elegant tempered glass surface in deep black, fits perfectly into modern bathroom designs and other interiors. Now we will show how to control the heater using the front touch panel. We turn on the device with the side button. Upon the first activation, the bathroom panel automatically enters Wi-Fi pairing mode. In subsequent activations, holding down the on-off button longer will enable this mode. The plus button, when held longer, acts as a power on and off button. Next, with a single click of the plus button, we raise the temperature. And using minus, we lower it. The third button is the timer, which allows us to set the heating in hourly intervals from 1 to 24 hours. Here, we will find the Wi-Fi connection indicator with the application. By holding down the plus and minus keys together, you can activate the child lock function, which blocks the buttons to prevent interference with the device's settings. Holding these buttons again for at least 5 seconds deactivates this function. Thank you for watching our video.